Hey guys, it's been a minute since I have uploaded a video and I apologize for that. Reason is I've been focusing on my other profession, which is graphic design. So the last video I posted was the one where I showed you my new intro because I was so excited and I didn't want to wait for for me having the time to film and then edit a video. So yeah, you can watch that, or it's in this video as well. Today's video I'm going to be doing this look, and I'm going to explain a little bit what I did to achieve this. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and what I do. Yeah, so keep on watching. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face using the Revolution Beauty Hydration Boost. I love this because it gives me just the right amount of hydration and actually really light on the skin. Next, I'm going to apply some Pore Perfecting Primer, also from Revolution Beauty. I'm not a huge nurse, but I really like this one. It does what it claims. My pores really do look smaller, and I like that it has a spatula with it. You really just need a small amount. Get closer. I'm going to use my concealer as base for my eyeshadow, and I'm blending it with a mini beauty sponge. Feel free to wet the sponge. I actually forgot to, and then I was too lazy to do it once I started filming. I'll keep it in mind for next time. Now time to add some color. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I choose to mix 2 shades of hot pink, and I'm putting it in the center of my eyelid in a patting motion to deposit as much color as I can. You can also wet the brush with some setting spray for maximum intensity. From the same palette, I'm going to take some of the black eyeshadow on a smaller blending brush and focusing on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye and slightly blending it with the pink. With a clean brush, I'm going to blend the edges from the crease area to remove any harsh edges. Now I'm going to use this beautiful color from this palette. I love it because it's not a brown or a purple, it's more like a mauve, but it goes perfectly with pink tones. Anyway, I'm choosing this color for the crease area as I don't want to darken too much the crease area, and I like dragging the product a little bit out of my eyelid with whatever is left on the brush. Next, I'm just going to redefine the black eyeshadow because I lost a little bit of it once I was blending. In fact, for the other eye, I swapped these steps, which is totally okay to do. After I was finished, I noticed that the pink is not as intense as I wanted it to be. So I'm going to wet the brush and I'm going to go over it again. And you know me, I love shine. I did a review of this palette if you would like to see it. Anyway, I'm going to put these two colors on top of the pink. You can either use a flat brush for this type of formula, or you can use your finger, and it does a wonderful job. I'm now applying the mauve color and the black on my lower lash line and blending everything with the black from the upper eyelid. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite eye pencil. It's creamy and waterproof, and I also like to apply some on my upper waterline. I'm recently enjoying this eyeliner pen from the Naija Beauty. It's really long lasting and it's easy to apply. Now I'm going to use some of Makeup Revolution eye makeup remover. I believe this one is discontinued. I not only cleaned the mask, but I also shaped the eye without using any tape. Now let's do brows. This is also unfortunately discontinued. It's from BH Cosmetics. I like using brow pomade versus a pencil with eye looks like this because they look darker and thicker. Last step, false lashes. If you saw any of my latest videos, you know that I adore Naija Beauty's eyelashes. I love the packaging and the quality. And to finish the look, I'm going to apply some mascara from Essence. This is my favorite. Now I'm just going to quickly do the other eye so I can continue with the rest of my face. As I said before, you might notice a few steps that I swapped, like cutting the pink eyeshadow from the beginning. Now that the eyes are finished, I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes, shape the eyeshadow furthermore, center of my forehead, nose, chin and jawline. I really should have wet the sponges though. Next is foundation, and I'm using the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Hydrate in shade F6. It's a little yellow, but it does match my neck. I like this foundation because it's medium to full coverage and it doesn't dry my skin, and I don't need any powder to set it either. As you can see, I really love this blush from Wet n Wild called Mellow Wine. It's like a brick color, a mix of between a red and a brown, which I feel really gives me a natural blush color. Again, I'm using the Wet n Wild metallic palette to highlight the cheekbones. To be honest, I think it's a little dark for a highlight, but it still works well. This is my favorite contour palette from BH Cosmetics. I use multiple shades at once, and sometimes I use the lighter ones to set my under eye. I usually prefer cream contour over powder. Today I just decided to go with powder. I feel like powder enhances the texture on my nose, so I'd rather not contour my nose at all. To finish this look, I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild called Nice to Fuchsia or Fuchsia, I don't know how you say it properly. I don't really go for this bold lip color, but I felt that it gives a nice touch to this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on my other social media. I do have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'll leave the links in the description below. Yeah, and also any other products that I really enjoy. And yeah,